The overtone series consists of several unique intervals that repeat in a ratio. So the first note in our overtone series, if we're going to start with the note C, if this is a fundamental, I play that, it's going to play a series of tones above that, more subtly, and then the ear combines all these tones into a single note that we hear. But there's a way to separate these tones out so that we can hear them more clearly. So if you remember, the first interval in the overtone series is an octave right here. Then you hear a perfect fifth. Then there's a perfect fourth above that, which is our C again. And then we have a major third. So those are your initial tones in the overtone series. Now you can hear them very clearly because I played them. But if I simply depress the keys so that the hammers are resting on the strings and they don't make any noise, if I hit this fundamental tone, what's going to happen is you're going to hear these other pitches resonate with the fundamental. It's a very subtle ringing. Play it one more time. Now, if I were to choose notes that aren't within the first couple octaves of the overtone series, we consider those more remote overtones. So let's choose D, A, and we'll just reinforce the D of the octave. Now I'm going to play the fundamental again, and it's not going to ring as long. The sound dies out right away, as opposed to this. You got to push them down slowly, otherwise you'll make a sound. All right. That's the overtones that are close to the fundamental. And here are the ones that are further away. No sound at all. So that's an important concept in Western music.